Hello and welcome to another Jonathan 1990 country walk. I'm currently at the White Horse at Kilburn and I'm going to do the green trail. I'm actually going to find out what it's called and I'll be right back. So yeah, it's the Hudson Hill green trail through Kilburn Forest. Okay, so you come to a fork in the path and it looks like I'm going down this side path here. I've only done this walk once before. Still continuing down a muddy path. Still on the right track. So there's views over to York and the Easingwold Way over there through the trees. It's a good thing the Forestry Commission put plenty of arrows on these walks to tell you where you're going, or yeah, you would get quite lost on a walk like this one. So over there is the hill where the walk goes, that's called Hudson Hill. Be walking over there in a bit. Going downhill now. So yeah, I'm not sure how long this walk is. Some boards say it's 6 miles, others say it's 5 kilometres on the internet. And that's only just about 3 miles. So, still going down here. Yeah. So the walk's just gone down through some trees and I'm nearly approaching the main track at the bottom now. Just a bit this way. So I've made it to the wide open track. That was the sign for the footpath I've just come down. This is a bridleway, of course. I did come along here back in the summer when I did the adventurous walk to Sutton Bank. So yeah, go along here before climbing up to Hudson Hill. So yeah, I'm still on the wide open track. Not long now before I turn off to walk to the top of Hudson Hill. Just got to capture this view here that you come to. Okay, so I've made it to the bit where you start climbing now, up the hill. So I did get lost the last time I did this walk, but it looks like the Forestry Commission have updated the signs since then. So yeah, it's just the case of carry on up here now. The walk's very well signposted now, so you won't get lost anymore on this walk. So yeah, you get a good view now over the trees as you're getting high up on Hudson Hill. It looks like I'm going back downhill now, and yes, I do remember this bit. This was the bit where I got lost the last time I did this walk. So hopefully I can find some green waymark signs where the walk goes. So yeah, this does keep going straight downhill here. See if I can find another waymark sign. But yeah, last time I hear they were doing up this path. So this, if I remember rightly, is where I turned back and continued walking on up the hill last time I did this walk. I'll soon find out if I went wrong or went right last time. But you do lose the signs here, which is rather confusing. Okay, so I've come to a wide open track here, and there's no sign of any signs, so do you know what that means? I'm going to have to go back up the hill to that spot again and continue on up the hill like I should, so I'll stop and pick up the vlog when I get back to where I should be. So, I've made it to where you turn off, and this is why I've been going wrong. The sign where it tells you to turn off is hidden right here in this bracken. You can just about make it out there. So yeah, it's up here now. So it's up this path here now, and yes, it's very muddy. Okay, there's views over to Thirsk over there. If you can see it, it's not very well seen. There's some very good trees down here. Oh yeah, I didn't come this way last time. I went another way, which sort of took a shortcut and met this route further on. So yeah, you're going to see a lot of things I didn't see last time, because there was a lot of bits of this route I missed out on due to the fact that that sign is buried in bracken. So one thing I didn't see last time was this mountain bike track that somebody's built here. Just there. So I can see the wide open track again in the bottom. So I don't know whether it does go back to that again. So I think the idea of this walk is to take you all the way around Kilburn Forest. I'm not seeing any more signs up here. So I wonder if I'm going right again. We'll find out. A long time ago somebody did tell me that this walk goes all the way to Kilburn village, and I am starting to hear some cars on a road somewhere, so I'm wondering if that is it. So yeah, I've just found another sign right where I'm at now, and you turn left up here now. So it looks like I'm starting to climb Hudson Hill again, up here. Okay, just capturing a shot of that really big tree there, and I'm still continuing up. So I'm still climbing to the top of Hudson Hill here. Hopefully it gets to the point where I came out at last time. Yeah, so I'm almost at the top. I might have, well, I probably will have a few words again when I get up to the top. Because yeah, the Halloween special hasn't happened, and I will explain in a bit why. But yeah, still admiring this area right here. Still climbing Hudson Hill up here. So right in the trees now, there is actually a view right over to Kilburn, if you can make it out. So yeah. Okay, so it is starting to rain now, and yeah, this is bad for my phone. I haven't got any umbrella or anything with me, just my coat in my bag. Yeah. So it looks like this is the top of Hudson Hill now, and I can't see a sign telling me where I should be going. And so I've decided to go on straight ahead. This path should lead me to the point where I came out at last time. It looks pretty central. And so yeah, I am on the right track. And I believe this is the point where I came out at last time. So I'm just going to video the views and have a few words here. And so yeah, you're probably aware that the Halloween, or not aware that the Halloween special did not go ahead. And to cut a long story short, I will just tell you this. It was going to be York May's Halloween, and there are a lot of rules and regulations involved in doing it. One of them being that I wouldn't have been able to film the full set of the walk-through mazes, just snippets, which I very much do with these walks. I don't video the whole thing uncut, or the video would get very boring. But yeah, I wouldn't have been allowed to do them, however, with a mobile phone. I would have needed a GoPro, which I didn't have. Also, a certain somebody who I've mentioned far too much on this channel, I already had a haunt. They were dressed up as Death Leopard and in a very bad mood, so that completely put me off going. Didn't do it, so there you have it. And also, this will be the last regular fortnightly Friday video, as after the bonfire night one, which after yesterday's performance won't be a bonfire, just capturing fireworks where I can, I am going to be cooling the videos, which I will be explaining in the last video I do before I do it. Yeah, keep going around here now, through the woods. Oh, it's still Kilburn Forest, as far as I'm aware. Oh yeah, I do remember this bit from last time. It just takes you back to the track at the bottom now. So you do eventually turn down a narrow path here. And yeah, it should take me back to where the wide open track is at the bottom. And there's a reminder that I'm still on the right track here. Just keep continuing. And again. And does everybody remember that signpost over there? Well, yeah, I'm back where I was, and this time I'm turning right instead of going straight on the way I came. So I do know I'm getting near the end of the walk. Last time I remember turning off on a path that took you straight back to the car park where I started the walk. I'm going to try and find it again. I'm sure I videoed this sign before because I'm just at the path I came out on when I did that Kilburn to Sutton Bank adventure trail. So yeah. Okay, so I've just got caught up in heavy rain, and yeah, there's a balloon in the tree there, so somebody must have been having a party down here, but not good weather for a party, I'm afraid. Okay, so it looks like this bit of rain is just showers at the moment. Hopefully this walk ends soon. Okay, so I've just got a view here over towards Kilburn village, right over there. Okay, so it looks like I'm going left now. Okay, so it's up this little path right here now, back up to the car park at the top. Almost at the end now. Yeah, I can just about see the car park at the top. I'm just about ready to do an outro for this video. Okay, so I've made it back to the car park, and this is where I round up the video. So there won't be any Monday or Wednesday video as I'm just fed up with them now. There might be another test one on Tuesday. That's before I draw the curtain down to the bonfire night ones. So until then, it's goodbye for now and see you.